Welcome to Berryminder, the next generation alert application. As most of you know, calendars, alarm clocks, and to-do lists are very useful tools to have on your phone, but what's missing? Imagine if all of these tools incorporated your location into the mix. You could have your alarm go off only if you were in your house, or have your to-do list pop up when you got to work, or even tell you on Thursdays to take the trash cans to the street when you got home from the gym. This is exactly what Berryminder aims to do. Berryminder is a tool which will help keep your life more organized and on track by allowing you to create reminders based on time and location. Let's get started. When the application opens, you're taken to the main reminder screen, which displays a list of all your active and past reminders. As you can see, the next reminder I should be getting is one at 7 p.m. to feed my dog. The reminders in gray are ones that have expired and have most likely already run. By default, when a reminder goes off and it's set to not repeat, it will disable itself. This allows you to re-enable a reminder that you used in the past. If you truly want to delete a past reminder, simply swipe your finger towards the right and you'll be able to permanently delete a reminder. You can also delete a reminder by editing it. You can see that we can enable and disable our reminder on this screen as well. Since we don't want this anymore, let's delete it. Now let's go through the process of adding a reminder. Let's say I'm at home and I realize that I am out of milk. It's not important enough to go to the store right away, but the next time I'm near the store, I want Berryminder to tell me to buy milk. So first we click Add. Now we need to set a name. Let's make it say Buy Milk. Next we can set a more detailed message, so let's have it tell us to buy 2 gallons of non-fat milk. Since we want this reminder to go off only if we are near the grocery store, let's pick that as our location. Click the location button and you are brought to a screen that lets you select a custom location, no location, or one of your favorites that you have saved in the past. Since I already have grocery store saved, let's just select that. Now for time and day. We want it to go off any day and any time we're near the store, so we can leave those as they are. As for repeat, we only want this to go off once, so we can leave that as it is too. Now click Save and we're done. After clicking back, we can see our new reminder in our list, and from the details we can see that the next time we are near the grocery store, we will get a notice telling us to buy milk. Now that we have a basic reminder taken care of, let's go into some of the more advanced features. Let's make a reminder to wake us up on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. only if we are in our house. So just like last time, we click Add. Let's set a name. For our message, let's make it say, Don't forget your lunch. Now we need to pick our house for our location. As we can see, we haven't saved our house before, so let's click Custom so we can find it. This is our map selector screen. With this screen, you can navigate to find the location you desire. You can use the zoom buttons and drag around the map to find the location in question, or you can use the search tool. Let's use the search tool to find our house. After clicking OK, the address will be displayed in our map screen. Now that we found our house, just click Select. Since this is a custom location, the application will ask if you want to save this location for future use. Since our house is most likely a place we will use quite often, let's save it. Next, let's set up the repeat settings. Click on Repeat and choose Weekly since this is a reminder that we want to go off during the week. Right after that, we can see that by default, the date becomes weekdays. Let's click that and make sure that only Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are selected. Now let's click Time, and using the time wheel we can select 8 a.m. Cool, right? Now click Save and we're done. Click back and you can see the new reminder that we just set up. Remember, if we ever need to edit a reminder, just click on it and make your changes. Remember how we saved home as a favorite location? Click the Locations tab at the bottom of the screen and you can see all of your favorite locations you have saved, along with how many reminders there are for each. If we want to edit a location, just click the location and update. Let's add an icon to our house location. Now when we look at our reminder list, all of the reminders associated to our house will have a blue house icon. Any changes you make to a location will be reflected on existing reminders, so if we change the grocery store to another location, all reminders using grocery store will be updated. Remember, you can also swipe on a location to delete it. Before we end this tutorial, I want to show you how you can pick the ringtone for your reminders. Go ahead and close the application and go to where you normally set up your ringtones on your phone. Expand the other section and click on Berryminder. This screen should look familiar and works exactly the same way that setting a phone ringtone does. That means when your phone is on silent, Berryminder will vibrate, but normally it will play the selected ringtone. This concludes our tutorial, and what do you know, it's 7 o'clock, time to feed my dog.